To render your project or video in Adobe Premiere Pro, click on File and here hover over on Export and click on Media, or you can just press Ctrl M to open this render window. Here click on this format and here you can go ahead and change your video format, and this H.264 is basically for MP4 format. Now click on this preset drop down and here you'll find a bunch of different video presets. You can go ahead and select any of the video preset according to your requirements, and here is your video output name and destination. Just click here and you can rename the video. You can change your render output location and just click on save, and here you will find a bunch of different options to adjust. Normally if you selected format and preset, just click on export and your video will be exported in just a few seconds.